Welcome back to our quick Dart programming course. Today we are going to install Flutter in Windows and we are going to run the Dart file. So it's very easy class. So if you want to install Flutter, go to Google and type it as Flutter download. So the official website here, flutter.dev. This is the official website. Go into that website. From here, go to docs. In this, move on to setup Flutter. So you need Windows. If you want to install Flutter on Windows, click Windows. In this, you have to click Android. Now coming down here, we will have the official download SDK kit. See, use VS Code to install or download and install. So we have to select download and install. The official stable.zip file. This is the file you need to download. When I click on it, it is going to download, but I already downloaded the file. So I am moving to downloads. Here we have our see here Flutter. This is the zip file. Flutter Windows 3.3.25 something under hyphen stable. So this is already downloaded. Now we need to extract this file. So I already extracted the file and this is the file which is extracted. In this we are having Flutter. So this is what we needed. So copy this folder, Flutter folder, and wherever you want this installation, you just paste it there. So I installed this in D drive. I went to D drive and in this I created a folder called Flutter, and here I copied this Flutter which we copied from this. I pasted it here. Okay. So this is where I pasted Flutter. Once this is done, now we have to go to system variables. In Windows, we have to go for system variables, environmental variables. Inside this, we need environmental variables. And in this, we have to create a path. See here, user variables for our system name. Path, click on it, edit. Inside this, we have to copy. See, if you want to copy a new one, I already copied the path. In D drive, I created a folder called Flutter. In that, we copied the Flutter. In that, we are having bin. So this is what our path, we have to mention it here. So click on it after copying the path. So if you want to create a new one, click new. Here you have to copy. And then click OK. So once this is done, you have created the path for Flutter. Now you can execute the Flutter. So how to check whether it has been installed or not? Open command prompt. So execute the command flutter doctor. Yes, it's been installed. It is showing two categories in issues in two categories. Don't worry about that Visual Studio and all those things. We don't need all those Visual Studio and other things. So that's why you can ignore that one. So once Flutter has been installed, now if you want to execute the Dart, we need Git support, because the third-party packages which is needed for Dart, it is available in Git. So now we need to install Git also. So how to install Git? Open this again. See, if you want to install Git, go back. You can Git download. So this is the official website for Git, git-scm.com. Going to downloads, click on it. If you want it for Windows, click on Windows. From here, click here to download. So this is what we need to click. Once you click here, we will get the download of the Git. We already downloaded that. So we move on to downloads. See, we have this file, Git file. Now if you want to install this, click on here, allow the permissions. So now you have to move on to next. So blindly move on to the next. Whatever the options it is available here, you click on next, 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 next. Next. See, whenever you got this icon install, click on it. We already installed the Git. It will take around 30 seconds or 1 minute. It's very quick. It will be done. Once Git has been installed, now we can execute Dart. In order to execute Dart, open command prompt. We will check whether Dart is working or not. Dart. Click on it. Here, Dart is working. If you want to execute a Dart file from command prompt, Dart space. Suppose if your file name is a test dot. File name will be saved using a test.dart. So Dart space test.dart. This is how we are going to execute Dart file from command prompt. Anyhow, we are not going to use command prompt. In our next class, we are going to discuss how to install Flutter project in Android Studio. In Flutter project, we are going to execute Dart files. Hope you understand the installation of Flutter and executing the Dart file. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.